Guess what we're doing today?
Oh, witches.
Close looks very goth. She changed her hair color back to 2014.
I was born with this color. Some of y'all said I was born to blonde.
Nope.
It'd be cool if I was.
We're doing a photo shoot today.
For the Halloween single, go check it out.
It's the front cover for Spotify and all the streaming platforms. Check it out. Halloween song.
Welcome back to Zorbas Trio Vlogs.
Shadows under the moon. I think I hear them sing a tune. What's inside that looms? Walking down this darkened path, I think I hear a witch's laugh. Make you freeze right in your tracks. This life you have will not last.
This brings back memories. This thing was in my room and I remember being really disturbed by it. This is calligraphy. Wait, we should write something here.
Okay, let's finally start this. Hello.
Hello.
It is Callista Witch and
Demetra Cat. I have to say that.
we're gonna make pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. 'Tis the season. Start off with our flour.
We're gonna put in
100 cups are gone. Everything's going hella wrong.
okay, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2.
Can you please explain where the cup is?
Not pink. It's always on top of the toaster.
2 cups. Should we double it or? Probably just hold on this one.
Yeah,
I don't feel like having extra.
because then we'll have to keep eating it and like we'll get fat.
And then we'll freeze it and then we'll open it.
Okay, you be the honors of doing the baking soda. Baking soda. Now that's a big thing.
1 cup of sugar.
That's a lot of sugar. Two baking soda.
Hello, where's the sugar?
You don't know where anything is.
1 cup of sugar. Baking powder.
Vinegar?
Not vinegar. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. The room when she bought it.
Nobody pays attention to fish.
Nobody's gonna know what we're talking about.
Yeah, I know.
You guys are wondering what the heck I'm doing on my phone. It's mini vlogs. It's mini vlogs.
If you haven't seen one yet, I'll put a link.
I'd be
in the
surprised if you didn't, because I post this all the time. You guys blind. You blind. No
Well,
offense.
Some people are. Like me.
2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Alright, you put that in there. See. Yeah, a teaspoon. Teaspoon?
What is
That
this?
much cinnamon?
Teaspoon?
Tablespoon has a B in it.
Yeah, I know, but damn. Cinnamon? That feels like a lot, but 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Where's the friggin' measuring? Ouch.
Where is it? Where's the salt?
Do we have
Pumpkin cookie cutters.
Found it. The keys. That's the spoon. Look at this hefty salt. That's all the dry, I believe. Going on here it is. Cinnamon and sugar.
1 teaspoon of baking soda. Down that.
Cookie for everybody.
You said that in the other one. Wait, where did that
I
come
was
from?
being you.
Oh, really?
Now's the wet ingredients. 1 large egg. 1 cup of pumpkin.
1 cup of pumpkin coming up.
1/2 cup of oil. The rest of this. 1 whole can of pumpkin.
Any pumpkin lovers out there?
We're basic.
Basic.
1 teaspoon of milk.
That is really odd.
Two cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Oh, and vanilla extract.
Oh, vanilla's the best part. That's what gives it all flavor. She never measures that.
We have pumpkin, we have sugar, we have vegetable oil, we have eggs, we have baking soda, we have milk, we have flour, we have baking powder, we have cinnamon, salt. And now we need chocolate chips and that's it! So I'm gonna use this now at 350.
I know there's some people out there that get annoyed with pumpkin. But you need to lighten up a bit because Halloween is basically pumpkin. That's good.
I love chocolate chips in my cookies. Let's try a little bit.
It's got some raw egg in there, girl. I've eaten raw cookie dough my whole life. And so have you. True. That's the part where I try it now. Yeah.
That's gonna be good.
Holy headache later. That's okay. Look at that wondrous goodness.
Clean it.
Pumpkin wondrous goodness.
Like, take all the chocolate chips out. This is not very dough-like, so we're gonna give it a run. We're gonna do the rest of the batter as muffins. I have probably batter all over my mouth right now.
Unlike me, I never say that you have stuff on your mouth, like the El Sonata video.
Yeah, we did the El Sonata gig and there was lipstick smeared all the way down. I was talking to people like that and Demisha didn't even tell me, and until I edited the video,
Yep.
I saw it.
I'll put the link to that video in the description.
But they're perfect. This is the non
Cutting board
chocolate chip right
shaped
here.
like a moon. Let's try this.
Those two are not chocolate chip.
That's really good.
Try it for yourself. Press a P down below.
Happy Tuesday!
Happy Tuesday.
We're at Ben & Jerry's. We're waiting for a cousin to come. And we're gonna walk around to go fall shopping.
Yes. We've been wanting to do this with our cuz, you know, Chosen.
First, let's go eat something
Is this-
because we're starving. We're trying out this new cafe. It smells good in here.
Actually, because of pumpkin puree. Really?
Put it on your head.
I'll put candy corn in here. People can eat off my head.
We're gonna try something.
Looks really terrifying.
So these are supposedly like gummy bursts. They're supposed to look like boba teas, and they looked really terrifying at 5 Below. So obviously we need to
see
try
if it's
it.
disgusting or awesome.
Strong smelling. Oh, it smells like chemicals.
Chemicals.
Different flavors. Which ones do you guys want? So I'm trying vanilla, and it looks like grape.
Guess you
got Wait, how did that happen?
Yeah, how did that?
What?
That was
the
so
hell?
weird.
No, I don't like the. We just like stop. I can't open it.
It's not.
Oh, wait. Here we go. Did it pop in your mouth?
That's the inside.
Oh, mine looks like the worst. Why does it look weird? It doesn't even look like bubble tea.
It's the shape for me.
What is this? Is this even candy? What did you get? Is this a toy?
Oh man.
Oh,
Juicy. The fuck?
mm.
I don't like it. I ate the whole thing. You gotta eat the whole thing. Get to the juice. Ugh.
I think I might throw up.
I don't know if I'd recommend, honestly. It just tastes like chemicals. With juice chemicals inside.
Yeah.
No.
That's not happening.
I was the only one who ate it all. I do not recommend that. Crap. Get bubble tea from Yumi. Way better than this shit. Do not recommend.
So tiny.
What is that?
First time here of the season.
Ready? Go. Do it. Okay, that's not bad.
It's kind of that's good.
Ew. What is that, Master Splinter?
Coraline blind bag clip. I have the dad. I have the ugly screaming ghost thing. But I want Coraline.
Yeah.
She's the main character.
Let's hope. Let's hope. Cross your fingers.
Where'd you get the Coraline?
Yay!
I literally wanted the one with her in the sweater.
Trying the pecan latte from Starbucks. Let's try this shit. That is so good. This is so good, guys. The pecan latte. Holy shit. Oh, it's such a vibe. I want those.
Guys, you'll not believe what I found. Benjamin Franklin, the action figure.
Whoa.
He's even got the
kite?
No,
The electricity?
The limited edition kite.
Oh, yeah.
He's even got the limited edition kite.
I've always wanted that. Look at that. He's like a half cookie.
What?
Or is that M&M cookie?
The hell are you talking?
The vest or
It's
something?
just a skeleton.
Oh.
A cookie?
Are they seats? Yeah, it looks like it. Peanut butter cup? I thought these looked cool.
I like this a lot.
We're trying to figure out what we're gonna be for Halloween. I think I'm gonna be Wednesday Addams. Cause
Should I be the mom?
I have that already.
Should I be her mom?
Yeah.
Because I could be her friend, but that means I have to wear a wig. And if I was the mom, I don't have to wear a wig, so.
Hey guys, we're gonna check out the Fiber Fest. A lot of sheep and let's go get some yarn.
Dude, I'll be able to like.
I don't really
Yeah, one of the first questions a lot of people ask when they see somebody sharing a sheep, they say, want to know how fast can you share a sheep? And I tell them, speed really doesn't amount to that much.
It's so fuzzy. Cinnamon, popcorn. Let's try it. Pretty good. It's like cinnamon toast flavor.
Saved up all my money and I bought me some bees. Start making honey way up in the trees.
Talking about my luck,
Lorex trees.
running till the clock gives up, waiting on wine
a photo shoot to do today. Today's what? Monday? Yeah. No, not a photo shoot. We're doing a video shoot.
Yes, music video. Gonna try to get it together. Close is getting her outfit together right now.
And let's hope it comes out. Where are we going to do the video shoot? Do you know? Why can't we ever
Something
think?
Lake.
Screw Lake.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're gonna be going there. Hopefully there's some like creepy stuff going on there. If not,
Hopefully
we could
not.
always like make it look creepy with the camera, because that's what videography is all about.
Wish we had a smoke machine.
Artistic mind. Mind.
And mine. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Need both. But yes, Halloween single is out.
Go check it out.
I suggest you go.
Check it out now on all streaming platforms. It's out on Spotify. It's out on YouTube Music. It's on Deezer, D's Nuts. I don't know what.
Have you heard it yet? I don't think you have. So do it
Yeah.
now. Go listen. Famous, popular musicians used to play here, and we're here. And this is so cool. Wait, so how... What? Is this like from the Renaissance? Because it looks so odd. Look at that. That is so cool.
We should set up on the stage.
We're gonna be putting our instruments on the stage. We're gonna be playing the instruments on the stage for this music video. So epic here at this old Renaissance stage. And the sound guy, we're waiting for the sound guy to be in there. We're just waiting on him right now.
What are you talking? Yes, the ghoul sound guy that lives in the homeless guy
Yeah.
that lives in the tower.
We forgot our amps, but we don't need them, do we, Calista?
No,
We don't need them.
of course not.
Fall is here. It's finally here. And we are music video ready. We are on the stage. Well, Callista's on stage right now. We were on stage, but we're gonna be on the stage.
Good job. Good job.
Music video. Yes. Just got done with that shoot. I'm far behind. Whew, this is a tiring walk. But yeah, we're done with that one. On to the next. Hopefully we got some good footage. Screw that, guys. We're getting in the car.
Hey, we did filming. It was awesome. The freaking coolest place ever.
Somebody's coming. And this is supposed to be closed. This is supposed to be closed. Why do we get stuck? We're alone. We're alone. We don't want to ride. No, we don't.
Here, we don't want to ride.
Just keep swimming.
We are right now going to the store. Oh, look at the leaves, guys. It's changing. Look at the colors. But we are going to the store. We're gonna get some snackies and run some errands. And we have to do some band practice later because we have a show on Sunday and we have a podcast with Unsigned 518 on Thursday. So,
Yeah.
also, sweater.
To get the oat milk lattes because last time I had it, it was the bomb. They're gonna try it.
I'm so excited. She said she freaked out. She was like, this is the most incredible thing you'll ever try.
It's so good. You guys gotta try it.
So
What?
Wow, that's really good.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Of course we're in the Halloween section, the first thing we see when we get in here. Obviously. Cute.
I want to decorate that. Halloween Oreos. Cute towels. Love it. So,
This drink is so good. What the heck?
they forgot the pecan in mine, but it's still good. But it's fine.
Rest in peace, Cole.
I guess it's my turn because last time
Rest in pecan.
we got boba and he
Oh,
didn't
they
get any
forgot to put
bobas
ice in it.
and bobas.
And bubbles. Great. Good thing you guys didn't see that. Or maybe you did. Alright. Calista,
Yes.
serious question. Would you sell your Stratocaster, Fender Stratocaster, for Rock Jam 2000 from Walmart?
Look at what we're trying today. We are trying the pumpkin harvest crisp, pumpkin spice yogurt, oatmeal pastry pieces, creamy icing chunks, and cinnamon frosted cookies. Let's try it.
What are you doing, man? Wait for me.
Do weird. Put it in here. That's.
How corny is that, guys? It's actually pretty good. I had the cookie dough one of these before.
I'll save mine for later.
Why? You don't like it?
Eat all this right now. It's like something you'd eat at the end of the world or something. Or like an alien planet in poverty. That's what they give you. It's time for my rations, please. Give me my yogurt with cinnamon bites.
What is he talking about?
Pretty good. Yeah.
Pretty nice.
An ogre.
Jazz.
Do you want
Cats for everybody.
Do you guys want to know what we wear every day?
Yeah. You know, guys, it's like the middle of September. Got a Christmas shirt on. She's
It's
ready.
comfortable.
With an outfit on right now that kind of matches the season.
You all see us all the time looking good. You want to know what we look like? This.
Yes.
No makeup.
This is every day.
Everyday look right here. Eating pumpkin yogurt. Guys, we have some old memories to show you. In the book, and was like, oh. I think it's at the way end. I drew that. That's drawn.
Oh my god.
Back in when was that?
Why do I look like Tarzan?
Look at your boobs.
Do I got just like 2 cardboard boxes on my chest or something? I look like hookah!
He was like always flexing
Hookah bogo!
Around the house, so I drew that.
Just put two sticks. It'll look like I'm a heavy metal drummer. Just put 2 sticks right here.
Hey guys, what's up? What's up?
We are going to the podcast Unsigned 518 with Andy Scullin. So we're gonna just hang out and
This is our first podcast.
Yeah, it's our very first podcast.
Except Kimosabi is going to be making a podcast with all the people that have been on there. But this is our first just podcast talking. So
Yeah, it's
this should be interesting.
be on YouTube, so check it out. Check out his channel. We'll put a link to his channel in the description, so you'll get to see it.
You'll get to listen to it. So let's go.
Coffee.
Pumpkin dice.
Do whatever you want.
We have a vlog channel, so
Yeah.
Andy! We're here with Andy.
Hi.
Go follow him on all socials.
And Calvin.
I'm Calvin.
He's so cute.
I was from Chasing Chipmunks.
Oh my god. Really?
Checking out the music store, John Keel. Hello, baby. We're on our way to the market. Sorry I didn't film us packing up some cords. I know y'all like seeing that. I don't know. I was just tired yesterday and there's a lot going on. It's gonna be like 80 degrees out, which is surprising. Hey, I'm not complaining about good weather.
Huh?
Market field. The wait. Ready to play some music?
diminished chord.
When your coffee's dark and you want some more creamer in it, look no more. And when you're at Aldi's.
Pumpkin spice whipped cream. Not paid for yet, but don't worry, we'll pay for it. We're gonna open it and put it on there now.
Good as nice. We got these delicious looking chocolate we're gonna try out.
I'm wearing something for the occasion.
Yes. Maybe we should turn this down because I don't want to get copyright. We're gonna try the chocolate
I
pumpkin.
want the orange one.
I'll try this one. Mine's white chocolate inside, I think.
I don't know what kind this is.
Tastes good.
She needs her chocolate.
It's needed in this world. I can't live without it, I'm sorry.
Wait, what is the... Who the fuck just...
Oh. Shit.
What the heck is going on?
Oh, that was so
It
startling.
scared me a bit. I was like, what's wrong?
I thought it was
you
gonna
had
be
a
more.
filter on your phone. And I'm like, what's wrong with your face?
I thought it was gonna be scarier, but it. I don't do commissions. I don't do commissions. I don't do pet portraits. I only play bass and I sing. That's the only thing you'll get from me. See this? If I remember how to turn the light on. I'm operating.
How does he look? It's a dog in the cave. Old man in the cave.
We're about to do a Halloween song. Wow. A Halloween, we're gonna do Addams Family. It's gonna be on our YouTube channel.
There it is. Boodity-dum.
I write it out with a pen
Can you
because
snap? Make sure you snap good. Yeah. Mine just sounds like a wet fart. It's like, ah!
Can you do snaps on your piano? Like,
Oh, like the fake snap sound?
yeah.
I can with the
The kick drum, yeah.
Probably,
The kick drum
I
has a
think.
bunch of weird sounds on it. You wanna like give it
show some of them.
Yeah.
Okay. Regular kick here. I don't know if it's coming through the subwoofer. Subwoofer's not on. It's got distortion, so reverb. It's got tuning, so you can make a. We got regular
There's some
kicks.
weird voices.
Yeah.
in
Cowbell, clap, and everyone's favorite.
Yeah.
Distortion.
Well, that's. You could also put your own sounds in there as
Yeah.
well.
I need to do that.
Didn't do that yet.
I guess I don't have a snap. Got a cowbell. Maybe.
John's Gryffindor, Demetra Slytherin? Wow. Okay, I see how it is.
Down into the darkened room, something's here within the gloom. Should I run or simply hide? Why can't I see what's inside? What's inside? I hear voices call to me. I believe it's Halloween. Shadows dance under the moon. I think I hear them sing a tune. Sing a tune.
Guys, it's my worst nightmare. Got some stuff from Spirit. I needed some fangs for the video. And Closton needed some glue for her fangs. I had some fangs back then, but I don't know. It must be in the house somewhere. I just didn't have time to look for it. Grace Trapper has good food. Here at this area, we might do some shoots here. It's an old golf course, I believe. Yeah, let's do some intro shots. We're turning into vampires. Mine's not sticking. La-di-da-di-da-di-da, 'tis autumn. Ah, yeah. They keep hauling off. This is not working.
Afraid.